Today I am reviewing the Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine BES878BSS. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine BES878BSS in brushed stainless steel is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to elevate their home coffee experience. This machine is part of Breville's renowned barista series and is designed to bring third-wave specialty coffee right to your kitchen. With the integrated grinder and espresso system, you can go from fresh coffee beans to a perfectly balanced espresso shot in under 1 minute. One of the standout features of the Barista Pro is the dose control grinding system. With just a single touch, the precision conical burr grinder delivers the exact amount of coffee you need, ensuring maximum flavor in every cup. Whether you prefer a strong ristretto or a smooth lungo, this feature guarantees consistency and full-bodied taste every time. Breville has also perfected the extraction process with its low-pressure pre-infusion system. This gradually increases pressure at the start of the shot, gently expanding the coffee grounds and extracting flavors evenly. Paired with the PID digital temperature control, the water is heated to the exact ideal temperature, within plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius, ensuring that each shot of espresso is perfectly balanced and aromatic. The ThermoJet heating system makes this machine incredibly fast, reaching optimal brewing temperature in just 3 seconds. This means you can switch effortlessly from espresso to steam without any long waits, making your coffee routine faster and more efficient. For milk-based drinks, the Barista Pro comes with a powerful steam wand that allows manual microfoam texturing. This means you can create rich, velvety milk with the perfect consistency for lattes and cappuccinos. The wand gives you full control for latte art, letting you craft cafe-quality drinks right at home. Using the Barista Pro is intuitive thanks to its LCD display, which shows real-time grinding and extraction progress. The animations guide you through every step, making it easy for beginners and experienced baristas alike to brew espresso just the way they like it. The machine also includes a complete set of accessories: single and dual wall filter baskets, the razor precision dose trimming tool, a 480 milliliter stainless steel milk jug, a cleaning kit, and a water filter. The 1/2 pound bean hopper, 67-ounce water tank, adjustable grind control, and 1 or 2 cup volumetric control make this machine versatile for every coffee lover. Finally, Breville offers a 2-year limited warranty and excellent customer support, giving you peace of mind with your investment. If you want fast, reliable, and cafe-quality espresso at home, the Breville Barista Pro BES878BSS is a perfect choice. Its combination of speed, precision, and professional-grade features makes it one of the best espresso machines on the market today. With this machine, every cup is a masterpiece, and every morning can start with the rich, flavorful espresso experience you deserve.